Bismillah. Alright, good day guys. You're back with the Kana channel. Konnichiwa minasan. Kana desu. Hi. Alright, so in this video we'll be making a simple review of Corsair ax850. So let's jump into it. Alright, so as you already know, Corsair, the brand is Corsair, 850 watt. The model is ax850 and 80 plus titanium, 10 years warranty. As usual, 10 years warranty. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Alright, so this is the receipt, so just take it off. This is the magnet plate for the side of the PSU. The instruction manual, sort of instruction manual, is inside. We'll open it up later on. So I just would like to show the hardware first. As usual, the PSU cables, plugs, the UK type. Put it aside. The cover for the PSU, sponge cover, and this is what the PSU looks like. It's in the plastic cover. Silicone gel, silica gel for the what's the word for it? To absorb the moist. Alright, that's the word. Okay, let's see what's in the bag. $24PHX. This would be the motherboard, PSU motherboard cable. ESP, PCIe, SATA, peripherals. If I'm not mistaken, say the PCIe has the box has 6 PCIe cables. That's the most important thing. But in any case, this video will be short, so let's round it up. This is the usual PSU. What's the word for it? PSU. The normal amount of cables usual PSU have. So in the interest of making a video short, this one I'm thinking of sort of a zip tie, but using a Velcro. And okay, this is the zip tie. This one is the screws. Oh, nice logo. In any case, we don't need it, so put it aside. Okay, so let's take it out. Let's take the PSU out. Where should I put it? Well, you probably have noticed already, I'm doing this with one hand, so it's kind of difficult. Let's try to take it out. Okay, oh, heavy. right, wouldn't go out. Okay, a little bit more. All right. So this is how it looks like. The SU looks like. Okay. This will be the power cable, the switch. This one is 0 RPM fan mode. Okay, later on we need to switch this off so that the fan will constantly spins to get the heat up. That's the most important thing. Side view is looking like this. Okay, yeah, the side. Alright, so peripherals and SATA 24 pin ATX. This one is the motherboard PSU motherboard cable. 6 plus 2 PCIe plus N 4 plus 4 CPU. So I'm thinking this one will be the CPU connector. Okay. Peripherals and SATA 6 pin 6666, so we don't need it this much. This I don't think we need this. Okay, this one is 8888, so this one it will be, this is the one we'll be using for GPUs. And let's see the other side. Okay, specification, serial number, and so on and so forth. Safety measures or similar to that. um, Corsair memory by 8 volts, 8 volts. Warmer wag. uh I'm Netherlands. Okay, I didn't knew I didn't know Netherlands makes Corsairs. Made in China. Okay, but basically Corsairs is from Netherlands based on what it says here. Total power is 850. Okay, AC input, DC output, max load. Oh, okay. In any case, let's see the downside of it. Oh, very nice, very nice, very nice, nice looking. All right, so let's just put it here. In any case, the most, one of the important thing, not the most, but one of the important things I want to show is that in the instruction manual. Okay, so let's see. Any more? No more. All right, let's put it aside. Important information. Um, safety information. Caution electric shock hazard. Basically, safety actions or safety things need to be um, to keep in mind, to bear in mind. But in case, simple things. Let's put it aside. This is the instruction manual. This very thick. Well, basically multi-language, so it's thick. So we're going to the English section. Safety protection, overall protection, OVP, over current protection, or CP, over temperature protection, or TP, short circuit protection, SCP. Okay, right here is some of the cables, right? So ATX cables, one. This one is EPS quantity 2, PCIe 8 pins 4, okay, 6 plus 2, set of cables, 4 cables, PCIe 8 pins 4 cables, sorry, PCIe 8 pins 4 cables, variable cables 2, floppy adapter 1. But in any case, okay, this is the important thing. Oh, this one is ax1000. Where is the X? Fifth page. Fifth page. Where's the fifth page? Okay, fifth page. So one cable. ATX is 2 cables. PCIe 8 pin, three cables. Okay. I thought it was 4 since the back of the PSU has four pins. So the cables is 4 peripherals, 2 adapter, floppy adapter is 1. Okay. Maybe I can make do with something else. Maybe later. Right. So the most important thing is the important thing that I want to mention is, oh, okay, the efficiency, input 230 vec. All right, so the black line, so the most efficient is around 50, 40%, 40%, 50%, and 60%. So let's see here. So probably I'm estimating 40%, from 40% until 60%, 30, 40, 40, 50, 100, so 60% here. So I'm guessing I can get 95 efficiency, 95% efficiency within 40% to 60% load. Okay, well, good enough for me, since 6 P106 requires 467 watts, so it should be okay. I should get a 95% efficiency. Hopefully it's beneficial information and I can use it. But in any case, moving on. Um, I'll be building my third rig with the new frame, since my boy ax850 has arrived, so should be able to finish it within a few days, maximum 1 week. Um, Two Zotex 1070. I got the RAMs. I got the RAMs ready. I got the mini keyboard, spare mini keyboards, Ethernet cables, spare Ethernet cables, and so on. And it should be enough. So take care, guys. Short video for you, and take care, guys.